Welcome to GCCars, my name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV test drive in this 2021 Ford Escape Titanium plug-in hybrid. Let's take a very brief look at the exterior because it is negative 21 degrees Celsius. Very cold in Fahrenheit, let me tell you that. And because my other parking lot over there is still, I hate that, don't honk at me, full of snow, we can't really see much anyway. But I'll have the stats on the right hand side and you can take a bit of a look at the headlights and the taillights of the 2021 Escape. In this night POV test drive, we're going to test the headlights, the automatic high beams, and we're going to be going for a launch just to see how quick this accelerates. And we have two more POV test drives, one in the highway where we test assist systems such as lane centering assist, adaptive cruise control, and all that, and one in the city where we test the smoothness, test pure EV driving mode, and all the other good stuff with the hybrid system. But for all my thoughts, make sure to click in the top right hand corner for my full review where we talk about the interior, the exterior, compared to the competition, and see if it's worth it or if you should go with someone as something else. Oh my god, I'm freezing to death. Please, let's go inside. I can't even talk anymore. Whew. Okay, thank you. Driver door ajar, I am aware. I'm gonna keep one light on, this one, just so you can see a little bit. Don't worry, I can actually still see fine. And other than that, I will keep quiet for most parts of the video and only occasionally chime in. Let's get driving in hybrid mode. Decent acceleration, I mean to say acceleration, even in hybrid mode, using full EV, basically. We also already have our automatic high beams enabled, so as soon as it clears up in front of us, you should see the headlights and the high beams turning on. Turn on right now, and the nice thing about the headlights of this Escape is how they fade in. You'll see that a little later. You should be able to see that now. Let's see, can we get that? Yes. Well, you can't really see it right now, unfortunately, because we always point upwards whenever that happens. But we'll see it in a bit, no worries. Let's turn the lights back on. I do want to turn right here for our acceleration test. Now you should see the headlights and the high beams. Enable any second. There you go, and there they fade in. Anyhow, we do want to make, don't want to do an acceleration run, so let's put into sport mode, and see how quick this Ford Escape can accelerate. Okay, brake torquer, stance, go sportier. Okay, not too bad. Of course not the fastest out there, but does a decent job, I would say. Does a decent job with the CVT. And let's put it back into regular driving mode. There we go. Normal. The headlights fade in again. High beams. I keep saying headlights. You know what I mean, though. Can turn them off and fade in. Off and fade in. I like fades when the headlights fade in. It's just a lot nicer. Just makes a car feel a bit more upscale as well. Give you a bit of lights off footage just so you can see how it is actually to drive at night. Always got to be a little more careful right now with the snow. That's why I keep taking the turns so wide, and because I knew that was bag on the road. Just in case you were wondering why I keep kind of drifting over in the opposite lane when turning. Turn on the lights again. And with that, we have reached the end of this night POV test drive. I hope gave you a bit more insight about how it is to drive this 2021 Ford Escape at night. We did test the high beams, which I think worked pretty well. The headlights, of course, we also tested, and the acceleration run. And yeah, hope you liked it. Like I said, for all my thoughts, check out the full review, which should be somewhere on your screen right now. And if you really like the video, I upload content every single week, and we test everything from budget cars to luxury cars, trucks, sports cars, and everything in between. So if you like it, make sure to subscribe and the bell. And other than that, I hope you liked it. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you and goodbye.